Hello students, welcome to new video. Today we are going to discuss about new phenomenon, that is structure of modern periodic table. To study this phenomenon, previously I just wanted to tell you the previous question, that there was how many elements were there. So Mr. Abhay Narangalekar sir gave me the correct answer. There was total 118 elements were discovered after 18th century or currently. So to start this phenomenon, we have to know what is meant by modern periodic table. So to start this lecture, I just wanted to tell you one thing before that, that is, whenever we have discussed this thing, so the structure of a modern periodic table has taken after Mendeleev's periodic thread or Mendeleev's periodic table, merits and demerits both we have studied over earlier. We have studied. If you missed that video, so just go in the description box, you get the link, you have to see the video, that merits and demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. So today's question, that how many elements were discovered by Mendeleev's, or at the time of Mendeleev's there was how many elements get discovered. So you have to tell me the answer in the description box. That is today's quiz. Okay, so I'll take your name in next video. Who is going to get me the correct answer firstly, so I'll take his name in next video. I'll announce his name. To start this lecture, we have to see the basic criteria of this element, or for which reason we have done this study. So we have done the study of modern periodic table to study detail for each and every element, that how elements were discovered, how these elements are important to study further, how many elements were get discovered. So this kind of things are so important for us. See, the modern periodic table has 7 horizontal rows, which are called as means the 7 horizontal rows are called as threads or periods. So if you are able to see this, so first period, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, there was 7 rows are there. Similarly 1 to 7 and 8th column is table are generally group of the 18th group, and 18 arrangement of the periodic rows was there, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 18th. 1, 2, 3, 16, 17, 15 like this. Okay, so there was 18 elements, 18 arrangement of the 18 groups are there, and 7 periods are there. Okay, so we know very well in that each and every, because of these 7 rows and 7 columns and 18 rows, we have built the block structure. We have created one block structure, that in that block we have placed one element. In different block we have placed one different element according to their increasing order of their electronic configuration. So as per the increasing of electronic configuration, we place these element in the different column. So first in first column we have placed hydrogen, after lithium, hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, like that we have placed the several elements in the periodic table as per their groups and columns. So the upper part of these box, which means you are able to see this, if gradually increase the atomic number, I am not going to talk about atomic mass number here, just I am going to consider atomic number. Atomic number and atomic mass number are both different properties are there, different things are there. We are going to discuss in next video module, whenever we are going to discuss about a modern periodic table and electronic configuration. In that we are going to study the detail. Further, for that you have to subscribe my channel, because if I'll upload the video you will get the notification, if I forgotten to tell you. Apart from these 7 rows, 2 rows were separately placed at the bottom of the periodic table here, which are nothing but the part of these periodic table, but they have separately placed these 2 elements in the rowards column. Okay, so afterwards, so at the bottom of the periodic table, these are called as actually these called as antecedent series and halide series, halide and actinide series, because in that series we have placed the radioactive element. It means that there was 118 elements were placed in the modern periodic table. Very recently formation of few elements was established experimentally, thereby modern periodic table is now completely filled. All the 118 elements were discovered till now. So this discovery is so important for the study of modern periodic table. If you have seen, so the entire periodic table is filled Means this entire periodic table, if you are able to see the entire periodic table right now on the screen also, you are able to see the period thread, and in that also we have mentioned the S block, P block, D block and F block element. Right now on the screen you are able to see this. So here this periodic table is derived or classified into 4 parts, that is S block, P block, D block and F block. That F block is nothing but the antennae or actinide series. This F block is nothing but the antennae series which is placed at the bottom. S block is the first 2, P block is the first to 16 and D block is the rest of all. Okay, we are going to discuss it in detail. So and SPDF, these 4 blocks are there. In that first and second, these constitutive elements were there. We have seen over here the block contain in the steps of 1 to 18 in the groups, that is total 13 constitutive component of P block and S block and D block and F block were classified. As we have seen, the zigzag line also you are able to see right now on the screen. You are able to see this and in that table I am going to I'll tell you that is how these things were came.
Right now you are able to see the periods and the groups which are classified in the form of rows and column. 7 columns are there and 18 rows are there. If you calculate it, so you are clearly seeing this 18, and downside of that 2 lactinide and antennae series are there. To learn this periodic table, I am going to make for remaining portion I am going to make a different and separate video on it.
I hope you enjoy this phenomenon. If you like this, so don't forget to share, subscribe and like my channel and press that bell notification to all, because whenever I'll upload the video you will get the notification. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.